ADHD is a huge problem in Turkey. When we look at the past years, every child who was diagnosed received medication support, while the interest in the alternative sources increased with the fact that the technology and the neuroscience show itself more clearly. Especially when the side effects of the drugs increased visible and started to damage the children, the brain-computer interface technology-based method gained importance in the field.
When we evaluate the pros and the cons, we realize that the Neuro is better than other products on the market. The inclusion of mathematics and English in the program provides a positive development for children in terms of switching tasks and mathematics and English. At the same time, the programs in the Memorie applications are software that provide a very good development of children's cognitive abilities as well. The brain can be trained more easily in the childhood. Along with the games in the Memorie app, sessions aiming to improve children's cognitive abilities benefit the children's cognitive development. And of course, I can say that the Galini app is a therapy tool that gives children the ability to understand, name and control their impulses and emotions better. The readable graphic results in Cogo portal and the easy-to-use interface of the applications are also some of the positive aspects as well. The combination of all of these features, it makes the expert's job more easier.
After using the Cogo, Memorie and Galini applications, very good improvements were observed in the attention, focusing, impulsivity control, and also the cognitive abilities such as risk-taking, switching, problem-solving. Children's self-confidence increased and their friendship and environmental relations also improve as well.
I highly recommend parents to give Cogo and other Neuro solutions a try, as the benefits are impressive. After a couple of sessions, they will notice visible change on child ADHD. Even the children who do not have any diagnosis with any condition can also receive training programs as well. As I mentioned earlier, brain is very elastic during childhood. The brain training program like Cogo and other Neuro solutions can help children to increase their potentials.